Dear ladies and gentlemen, I am Ebron Manik, a lecturer at the Department of Mathematics Education, University of HKBP Nomensen. I am one of the presenters at the 5th Annual International Seminar on Transformative Education and Educational Leadership ISTA 2020. I will present my paper with the title Learning with Higher Order Thinking Skill for Basic Statistics Subject. Introduction. The result of PISA, Indonesia ranked 72 out of 78 countries. Permendikbud number 20 of 2016, there are three main models in learning or HOTS learning model. The Department of Mathematics Education, University of HKBP Nomensen usually use the drill learning model. Objective of research. The problem that will be answered in this research is what HOTS learning model is suitable for basic statistics subject. Are the results of lecturer with the HOTS learning model better than learning model without HOTS? Literature review. The discovery or inquiry learning model has 6 steps. The problem-based learning model has 5 steps. The project-based learning model has 6 steps. And the drill learning model has 4 steps. Syllabus for basic statistics subjects is arranged so that students are able to teach statistics and can apply them in research. Methods. This type of research is a type of descriptive research and continue with quantitative research. Result and discussion. After reading some literature, there is study by Santi that we have been conducted that compare discovery inquiry learning model and drill learning model. The study is said that value of learning outcome taught by the two models is the same. So we will consider the problem-based learning model and the project-based learning model. The project-based learning model is very suitable for subjects with assignment to make project. By paying attention to the syllabus of this course, the task of making a project is not suitable to be the student's assignment in this course. So this research will only consider the problem-based learning model. Teaching with drill learning model and problem-based learning model in the study were conducted at the University of HKBP Nomensen. Learning for both models are carried out in the same number of hours, which are both 3 times 3 hours of lecture. At the fourth meeting for 100 minutes, they were given the same post-test question to find out their level of mastery for the material they had learned during the 3 meetings. Frequency table of learning outcome with problem-based learning model in group A. The number of samples in group A is 41 and average 62.83. Frequency table of learning outcome with drill learning model in group B. The number of samples in group B is 34 and average 27.71. The two data are not normally distribute. The Mann-Whitney test is used to test the learning model that results in better post-test score. The Mann-Whitney formula uses a formula for data more than 20. From the calculation, the set value is 6.43 and the set-table value for alpha equal 5% is 1.96. The problem-based learning model is better or higher than that value of learning outcome taught with the drill learning model. Conclusion: 1. The learning outcome obtained are the same if the learning process uses the drill learning model or by using discovery learning model. Learning outcome obtained by using problem-based learning models are better than learning outcome with drill learning models. 3. The Hort-based learning model that is most suitable for teaching basic statistics subject is a problem-based learning model. Thank you very much for your attention.